Do you actually need an antivirus today in 2026 for Windows 11 and Windows 10? Or is the built-in Windows Defender already enough? Or maybe it even makes sense to remove antivirus software completely and live without it. Let's break it down, no ads, no myths, just facts, real tests and professional experience. A lot of people still think running Windows without a third-party antivirus is basically suicide. But the problem is that people, especially millennials like me, still compare modern Windows to old Windows XP or 7. And this is completely different system now, and times are different too, and scammers use different methods today. Modern Microsoft Defender is a full-featured antivirus solution that includes all major types of protection on the same level as many paid, well-known antivirus products. And all of this works directly inside Windows under the hood. And pay attention to one important thing. To be confident in your protection, it's important to use a genuine licensed version of Windows with an original clean installation. So, does the built-in antivirus actually work? The most important thing: independent testing. There is a lab called AV-Test. It's one of the most well-known organizations constantly testing antivirus software. And Microsoft Defender has been receiving top scores for years, on the same level as popular paid antiviruses. In the latest test, Microsoft Defender received perfect scores, 6 out of 6. Defender also shows nearly 100% threat detection, minimal impact on system speed, and almost no false positives. There is also a popular channel called PC Security Channel. They regularly test Defender against thousands of malware samples. In one of the tests, Microsoft Defender was checked against a massive malware collection, and the results were very strong. Most threats were blocked automatically, and modern threats are often stopped before they even launch, through Smart Screen, meaning the file often doesn't even get the chance to infect the system. So yes, built-in Defender is actually very good at catching malware today, and the difference between modern and good antivirus products is no longer as huge as it is used to be. And on top of that, Defender is free. It already comes with Windows, so why spend extra money? Most infections today do not happen because the antivirus is weak. They happen because users themselves. They disable protection, download and run cracks, suspicious archives, software from shady websites, and at that point no antivirus can guarantee 100% protection. Because if the user manually clicks Run anyway, security stops making sense. So here's the first important conclusion. An additional antivirus is usually unnecessary today. The built-in one is enough if you use a genuine Windows installation. But why do some people completely remove antivirus software? The first reason: performance. Even built-in Defender uses CPU resources, loads the disk, and slows down or even blocks application launches. This is especially noticeable on weak laptops, old HDD drives, and while working with heavy software or demanding games. The second reason: false positive. Antivirus programs love deleting modified files, utilities, self-made programs, or unsigned exe files. For regular users that's normal and safe, but for advanced users who know a file is safe, this becomes just another annoyance. And the third reason: telemetry. The built-in antivirus doesn't just constantly run in the background and eat your resources. It also works like a spy, collecting information and sending it to Microsoft. Officially, this data collection is used to improve Windows and improve protection, but it still means additional resource usage, and some people simply don't like this background activity. Can you completely disable antivirus protection? Yes, you can, but only if you understand what you are doing, because without protection the cost of mistakes becomes much higher. How do you do it? Check out the guide in this video on our PC No Problems channel. It explains the manual registry method to completely disable Windows Defender antivirus. You can also disable and enable Defender with one click using my program PC No Problems. Keep in mind, it's not free, but it's very convenient. And on top of that, you get many other powerful Windows optimization features. Try this app, it also includes many free tools for cleaning and optimizing Windows. Hundreds of thousands of users already use it. Link in the description. If you disable antivirus, how do you stay safe? The basic rules are actually very simple. First, don't download software from garbage websites. This is still the main source of malware in 2026. It's much safer to use official software websites, popular platforms with millions of visitors, Microsoft Store or GitHub. Second, don't run everything you download, especially files from suspicious emails using fear tactics or too good to be true offers. For example, I often receive emails offering advertising deals from huge brands, but in reality, scammers are just trying to trick me into downloading a malware file disguised as a business contract. Another common trick: emails pretending to be from the tax office, police or other authorities, with scary messages and malicious links or archives attached. Also, avoid cracks and free activators, suspicious archives, .exe files from Telegram or torrents. If you downloaded something unfamiliar from a new source, don't run it directly on your main PC. Upload the file to VirusTotal and scan it first. Another reliable solution is having a virtual machine on your computer where you can safely test anything without risking your main system. And third rule, make backups. Whether it's a virus, your own mistake or a system error, backups save important files and even entire system. So, do you need antivirus software in Windows 11 or 10? For most users, built-in Microsoft Defender is more than enough today. It genuinely protects systems well, and independent tests confirm it. Installing a heavy third-party antivirus is no longer necessary for most people, and experienced users sometimes work without any antivirus at all, for years, without problems. But the most important conclusion is this: the biggest protection for your computer is not antivirus software, it's the actions of the user. Because even the best antivirus cannot protect someone who downloads everything they find on the internet. More PC knowledge and tutorials are available on the pcnp channel. Subscribe and watch previous videos too. They are still relevant today.